Want to spend less time doing your social media posts? I got you. Be sure to watch till the end. First, go to Canva AI, click on Design, click on Social Media, and click on Format and choose your preferred size. Then, add your prompt. Be very specific so that you can get the post you want. But don't worry if you want to have something to start with, I will drop the prompt I use here in the comment section. Once done, click on the submit arrow and wait. And there you go. Feel free to choose the design you want. If you want more designs, just click on here. Then let's select this one. Then click on use Canva editor button if you want to tweak something out of it. Comment down below what Canva tutorial you want me to feature next. Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!